a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence.